Chiliz value equivalent to 2.3713 rands a coin. The present cost range, 2.2960 to 2.4297. The earlier day close, 2.3568. The change was plus 0.0145, plus 0.62%. Converse rate, ZAR to CHC. Chiliz cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chiliz estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 2.49 rands, high 2.66, low 2.32. Chiliz cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. In about 14 days. Chiliz estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.56 rands, high 2.74, low 2.38. Chiliz cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 2.48 rands, high 2.65, low 2.31. Chiliz estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 2.49 rands, high 2.66, low 2.32. Chiliz cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.58 rands, high 2.76, low 2.40. Chiliz gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.55 rands, high 2.73, low 2.37. In 3 weeks. Chiliz cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.62 rands, high 2.80, low 2.44. Chiliz gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 2.60 rands, high 2.78, low 2.42. Chiliz cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 2.46 rands, high 2.63, low 2.29. Chiliz conjecture on Tuesday, May 9, cost 2.50 rands, high 2.68, low 2.33. Chiliz cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 2.51 rands, high 2.69, low 2.33. In about a month. Chiliz conjecture on Thursday, May 11, cost 2.43 rands, high 2.60, low 2.26. Chiliz cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 2.55 rands, high 2.73, low 2.37. Chiliz conjecture on Monday, May 15, cost 2.45 rands, high 2.62, low 2.28. Chiliz value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 2.14 rands, excessive cost 2.78, while low cost 2.08. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.37. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.48, change for April 15.9%. Chiliz figure for May 2023. In the first place cost at 2.48 rands, exorbitant cost 2.80, while low cost 2.25. The found the middle value of cost 2.54. Chiliz cost gauge toward the month's end 2.61, change for May 5.2%. Chiliz cost expectation for June 2023. To start with cost at 2.61 rands, exorbitant cost 2.61, while low cost 2.16. The found the middle value of cost 2.43. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.32, change for June 11.1%. Chiliz estimate for July 2023. To start with cost at 2.32 rands, exorbitant cost 2.57, while low cost 2.23. The found the middle value of cost 2.38. Chiliz cost estimate toward the month's end 2.40, change for July 3.4%. Chiliz cost expectation for August 2023. To start with cost at 2.40 rands, exorbitant cost 2.97, while low cost 2.40. The found the middle value of cost 2.64. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.78, change for August 15.8%. Chiliz conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 2.78 rands, excessive cost 2.78, while low cost 2.18. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.52. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.34, change for September 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for October 2023. Before all else cost at 2.34 rands, excessive cost 2.34, while low cost 1.83. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.12. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.97, change for October 15.8%. Chiliz conjecture for November 2023. Before all else cost at 1.97 rands, excessive cost 2.00, while low cost 1.74. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.90. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.87, change for November 5.1%. Chiliz cost expectation for December 2023. Before all else cost at 1.87 rands, excessive cost 2.30, while low cost 1.87. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.05. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.15. Change for December 15.0%. Chiliz conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 2.15 rands. Excessive cost 2.66, while low cost 2.15. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.36. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.49. Change for January 15.8%. Chiliz cost expectation for February 2024. At the outset cost at 2.49 rands. Excessive cost 3.09, while low cost 2.49. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.74. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.89. Change for February 16.1%. Chiliz conjecture for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at 2.89 rands. Excessive cost 2.89, while low cost 2.26. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.62. Chiliz cost conjecture toward the month's end 2.43. Change for spring 15.9%. Chiliz cost expectation for April 2024. At the outset cost at 2.43 rands. Excessive cost 2.43, while low cost 1.90. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.20. Chiliz cost figure toward the month's end 2.04. Change for April 16.0%. ZAR to CHC conversion standard equivalent to 0.4217 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.4116 minus 0.4355. The earlier days nearby 0.4243. Change for now 0.0026, 0.61%. ZAR to CHC cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Friday, April 14, cost 0.435 coins, high 0.467, low 0.407. ZAR to CHC forecast on Monday, April 17, cost 0.446 coins, high 0.481, low 0.417. Rand to Chiliz gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.431 coins, high 0.463, low 0.403. ZAR to CHC forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.437 coins, high 0.469, low 0.408. R to CHZ expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 0.467 coins, exorbitant cost 0.481, while low 0.360. The found the middle value of cost 0.428. The ZAR to CHC gauge toward the month's end 0.403. Change for April 13.7%. Rand to Chiliz gauge for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 0.403 coins. Exorbitant cost 0.444, while low 0.357. The found the middle value of cost 0.397. The ZAR to CHC estimate toward the month